Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Android apps on your Windows PC, computer, whatever it is. You can run anything you want, which had Android operating system on the Windows 10, 11, whatever Windows it is. So what you do, as you can see here, you go to Google and then you type in BlueStack. But before that, I'll let you know that there are so many applications that is created to be able to convert your Android to be able to play on Windows PC. So the Android apps, which is like games and all those things. And these apps are mostly for gamers. But if you want to use it for something else, like be able to run Android applications and whatever Android based, you know, you can do it on your Windows easily. So there are a couple of them. We have LD Player, Android Studio, Bliss OS, Nox Player, Dolphin, Retro Act, a whole lot of them. But I'm using the BlueStack because that is the one that I've used previously and it's really good. And also with all these players, it's basically converting, you know, your Windows 11, 10, whatever is Windows based to an Android base, so you'll be able to run whatever application that Android have that can't be run on the Windows. So what you do is to go to BlueStacks and then you click on that from your web browser. It can be any web browser. Then when you search BlueStack, you go under this right here, which is BlueStack gaming platform. It says gaming, yes, because it's initially created for gamers, but at the same time you can use it for whatever application, so you click on that, and then when that opens, you come to the download part, you click this, and then it's going to download for you. So after the download, in order to find it, you click on this drop down or drop up menu, and then you open folder. Once the folder is open, you see it out there. You right click and open, or you double click to open. So once it's open, you just follow the steps and you should be good to go. Okay, now after that, you can close this browser, and then the installation process basically take a while. And for those with a computer that have their system type to be 64-bit operating system, it will be a little bit faster than those who have the 32. And also when this thing run, it takes a while. So whilst it's running, it's gonna take some time, and you might wanna take your time, relax, give it its own time to do what you have to do. Then after, it's going to open for you. So after opening, you will see BlueStack 5, BlueStack multi BlueStack 5 multi instant, and there is BlueStack X. So this is how it look after download. And then it basically gives you a screen. For those who use Android, they will know how this look. It basically gives you a screen that will show you, like a folder for your applications. You can open camera if you want, whatever. This is the center for gamers, and then this is basically the Play Store on Android phones. So when you open it, it will tell you to sign in, and then you sign in to your Google, like by using Google email and password, and then you get access to the Play Store to download whatever you want to download. So basically, your Windows managed to switch from Windows operating system to Android base. Okay, and then when you come to here, this is where you clear, and then you whatever you want to do. The BlueStack X is basically like a cloud base where you can do it online. Like for gamers, you can game online, you know. And also, before I forget, this does not only go for Windows, it go for Apple Mac too. You know, you can basically convert your Apple Mac to run Android, Android applications too. So it's for both Windows and Apple Mac. So this is the basis, and getting through it, how to run Windows, how to run Android on your Windows. If you guys like this video, I'll go ahead and do a detailed review explanation of what all these buttons mean, like what it does. But this is it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.